Hello viewers, this is Dr. Sagareeka Roy Bhatia with you once again on a Sunday morning. Happy morning to all. Do you all know that we human beings are social animals? We love to party together, we love to celebrate birthdays, weddings together, we love to go out on trips together. So, undoubtedly, we are social. And being selfish is absolutely opposite of being social. And do you know the effects of being selfish on a child? Let me inform you about it. It is detrimental for the physical growth of the child, for the social growth of the child, and for the mental well-being of your child. And who is responsible for this? Nothing but you as a parent. Let me give you the examples. From where do the selfish behavior begin? Who instills this selfish behavior into the child? A child who's born to live becomes selfish because of your actions, parents. When the child goes to school, you inform the child, don't share your water bottle. Don't share the food. If you share the food, you will be hungry. If you share the water bottle, you won't have water for yourself. Don't share your pencils. Don't share your pens. You label the pencil, you label the pens, yeah? And you check the pencil box every day. If the child shares, obviously the child is bound to lose the erasers or sharpener. The child with whom, the person with whom the child is sharing may not return it back with all possibilities. But encourage this. Instead of encouraging sharing, we parents, what we do is label the pens. Don't share it with anybody. Don't share your notes. You have worked hard for your notes, so why do you want to share your notes? So this is where we parents are instilling these wrong values into our children. Let me tell you, parents, we are blessed with abundance of everything. Nature has given us everything. Let's nurture it. Let's nurture it, and let's inform our children that they should live freely in this world and share the resources of the world with everybody, whomever they come across. Remember, parents, already we are nuclear families, and even in nuclear families, these days everybody has just one child. So very, very less opportunities of sharing resources in their family. So the only way that your child will learn to share and won't learn to be selfish is in a social environment. So please just let them be, let them grow naturally, nurture them, and live happily. Share the resources of this nature. Happy life to all of you. #happy parenting. Enjoy your day.